TXGA Nano-D connector. Available in 9, 15, 21, 25, 31, 37, 51, 65, and 69 positions. It supports multiple mounting methods such as SMT, through-hole, and free hanging mating. The oversize is only 50% of standard micro-D connectors. TXGA Nano-D connectors feature a twisted wire elastic pin design with a precise contact pitch of 0.635 millimeters. The male and female connectors ensure smooth mating and stable connections. The screw lock mechanism effectively prevents loosening during operation. These connectors are designed to withstand extreme temperatures and mechanical stress. They maintain stable performance in harsh environments with temperature ranges from -55 degrees Celsius to +125 degrees Celsius, vibration frequencies from 10 to 2000 Hz, and acceleration up to 196 meters per square second during cyclic testing. TXGA Nano-D connectors are widely used in demanding applications such as automation equipment, medical devices, and test and measurement instruments. They meet industry demands for high density, high reliability, and miniaturized solutions. With a focus on innovation and precision engineering, TXGA delivers quality connections with craftsmanship at its core. Enter TXGA official website. You can quickly obtain product technical information, inventory and shipping cycles, product prices, and other information. Order online on TXGA official website. Enjoy a convenient and efficient service experience.